Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann on Saturday apologized to veteran surgeon Dr. Raj Bahadur for the humiliation he received at the hands of Health Minister Chetan Singh Joramajra, an incident which attracted a lot of criticism. Mann also asked the doctor to reconsider his decision to quit as Vice Chancellor of Baba Farid University of Health Sciences, Faridkot. According to sources, after Dr. Bahadur sent in his resignation to Mann on Saturday morning, the CM called up the doctor and apologized to him. Sources said that the CM told the surgeon that he was aware of his contribution to medical science and had warned the minister against such behavior. He also tried to impress upon Dr. Bahadur to reconsider his decision of quitting. During his visit to Guru Gobind Singh Medical College, Faridkot on Friday, Joramajra told Dr. Bahadur to lie down on a shabby bed, which triggered widespread controversy. The Special Task Force Gurugram have nabbed a man for allegedly making fake passports with forged documents for members of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. He was nabbed from Faridabad Road on Friday evening when he was on a way to meet the gang members. An FIR has been registered at DLF Phase 1 police station in this regard. According to the police, the accused has been identified as Raju Nepali, a native of Nepal, who was staying in DLF Phase 1 area from past some time. The STF has taken him into a 4-day police remand after producing him in a city court and are questioning him. As per the complaint filed by ASI Sunil Kumar of STF, accused Raju Nepali works for gangster Lawrence Bishnoi gang. On the basis of fake documents, the gangster and other accomplices got passports made through Nepali. Along with the Delhi-based accomplice, he used to prepare forged documents for the passports. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann today said the government has freed 2,828 acres of encroached land, including from Sangrur. MP Simranjeet Singh Mann's son, his son-in-law, daughter and former Minister Gurpreet Singh Kangar's son, among others. Mann personally supervised a government drive to take possession of prime land worth Rs 350 crore in Majri block from 15 influential encroachers. The CM led the campaign to take possession of the land at Choti Badi Naggal village. The CM said since May 1st, the government had so far taken possession of 9,053 acres, which has been encroached upon by people. He said that of the 2,828 acres, 265-acre land was a plain area, whereas 2,563-acre land was hilly, adding that trees having costly wood were found in abundance here. The Special Task Force has arrested an additional SHO for allegedly taking Rs 10 lakh in bribe from a drug peddler as protection money. The accused, identified as Sub-Inspector Narinder Singh, was posted at the Lopok police station here. He was arrested yesterday evening and the bribe money was seized from him. He has been booked under Section 59 of the NDPS Act and Section 7 and 13(1)(a)(2) of the Prevention of Corruption Act. His name cropped up during the interrogation of Guraftar Singh, who was nabbed by the STF for cross-border smuggling a couple of days ago. He and his accomplice Avtar Singh were arrested with 500 gram heroin each.